So today we'll show you how to install a Python in macOS Secure. So first we'll open any browser, Safari or Google Chrome. I'm using a Google Chrome here. So search for a Python download. So using the very first link, click on that, and the latest version of the Python here showing that Python 3.13.7. So just simply download it, save, and it will start download. So wait for some seconds. So it's successfully installed in our system. Let's open it. So we'll continue this. I'll continue. You then install it. So you will require some password. So after installing, here you can see all the stuffs has been put up here. The IDLE, so download folder. Okay, it's successfully installed. Let's close it, and we will move to stash. Your Python has been successfully installed in your system or not. You just have to open your terminal window and just type Python 3 version. So here 3.13.7.